Yes, at Harry Patience from Kamwenge. Tukwaniriza ku Geto TV. Emabegako twarabako ng'ocomplaininga ku nsonga y'okuyiza ebipande byo n'ebya pulezidenti n'eby'ekibiina kya NUP. Bantu ba Kamwenge tukaleba n'oyomba habw'enshonga ya security kugira ngu bakija bakuraho ebipande byawe barekaho ebya NRM hamwe n'ebya president. How is that issue so far now since then?
Ekyokubanza amazina at Harry Patience, aspiring woman MP Kamwenge district, hakati NUP. Ensonga y'ebipande nk'oku mwarebire last time, Kamwenge district mumanya in Western people have their mentality. So when I came up, when kikaba kiri nk'ekyokutangaza, it was a shock because they didn't expect anyone from Kamwenge to come on opposition. Akuba already bakabi ne mentality Kamwenge nka Kamwenge district hari opposition and bashimira kuba batakufonayo omuntu wena wa opposition. So kuna arijireni za naye simbaho nakajja NUP mwenu kikaba kiri nk'ekyokutangaza. Of course abali mu government bakabine kundwanisa, so kuna tandikire kutimba posters zanje kutekayo banners nke bakora burijo banya byanje babicwa bana baje aho bajosi batandika kuraisinga wiwe you are not supposed to be campaigning manya bakwiye kwasanga ito tukiriyo mu primaries iwo opposition bashamiye kubota koraki utakuteka yo bipande byawe na posters
ne bahamba bakora ibi. Is it NRM supporters, security or
NRM and security? Because no muntu wayikireho bana ari mu security. Doing security na koromo bya security Kamwenge district. So Kamwenge ne ya NRM ashimekuba hatari opposition especially NUP kugenda mu Kamwenge
telling you face?
Yes, one on one. Akuba I approached the omuntu wakozireki owayihiraho bana yanje nkumbuza nofachi wabwachi no iya bana yanje am a candidate, I'm a resident of Kamwenge district kandi ndienza rayo and I'm a Ugandan. If I qualify kuja kwesimbaho iwe amani nogiha kugira ngo oine rights zo kuja kuya bana yanje nka candidate, of which constitutionally I'm allowed if I qualify timba bana zanje, because I have to show people that I'm here with requesting I need your support. Nkoko ba NRM bakora bakateka bana zingokwa bebatireyo nanye nkweshima kubani nkorachi.
So in that process nkareba inabana be mbajango bakakwatwa, what happened bakwata bana bangahi era bakabasibira kaya, what is happening now?
Yeah, abana babe bari no batimba posters zanje bakabakwata babasi ka polisi no manyano babanza bashuma abanyegera bakubuzabuza, then at the end of the day kubagire twagire kubihayo babakoza statement kubona bahekera umenda kuyaho government ebi byaburijo ni bumanya bakuteka nka ba comrades ba Bobi Yanga kuko mukubareba bakirewo kare mbwenu fi
ariko in district ya Bobi Yanga makorga. So are they free now ninga bakiri
no baka tukabihayo, we had to do our best twabihayo kuonka no kuchikora kwabo bakachikora just bakwenda kutinisa abandi, because people need change. Even Kamwenge people need change and they are with us. Just kafiya kakibatire muhate n'abana bakabire na bagirangu banyegiteho tutambuze enshonga ya protest vote na no kushomesa abantu abana batina that intimidation yibagatire na nyenyenga bakorera kunafuya nk'omuntu kugira ngo mbireke mbwene.
So are you continuing doing the groundwork? How do you campaign? How do you go through the people? How intimidation is?
I'm not intimidated. Already I came in this thing knowing that all these things are there. Threats are there, intimidation, kunsiba, abduction, nkija nkushimanya nte byona bikoze biki. So that means I came ready for anything that can happen. And the struggle yiturumu, you must be persistent and resistant and committed, because I know what I started. So me, I'm not intimidated. I'm still on ground. And now, of course, I'm going door-to-door campaign. For now, I'm doing that. Nokushoma saba intention ya protest vote. Abantu kubashoma sekyishemera kubantu kora, ntukikora ryari na nokutora chikora. Anshoma ya protest vote. Akubomba na mukuru protest vote and the president.
That is at Hirwe for you. Hirwe. Kurga Kamwenje. At Hirwe. Patience. Kurga Kamwenje. We have a lot to talk about with her. We shall be having a full interview with the NUP member and aspirant in Kamwenge. Maybe lastly, how is NUP leaders, mostly in Kamwenge, now preparing their campaign work amidst these intimidations?
Of course, it's not easy. We are doing what it takes. We are doing our best. And for our leaders, we are moving to different places. We are mobilizing. For our councillors, our LCs, by the time actually John protest vote, we campaign to be those people when it comes to Kulinda Karuru. Yeah, we are doing our best.
Okay, we are doing our best. Let's wait and see the full interview that we have with her.